Fancy learning Welsh the easy way? So do I. Let's do it together. Hello again, and welcome to another episode of Learning Welsh with Will. You know, if you're a parent or a grandparent like I am, chances are that you will end up attending a lot of birthday parties for kiddies. And if you are attending such festivities in Wales, you will notice that the song Happy Birthday to You tends to be sung twice, once in English and once in Welsh. Now, before I began to learn Welsh, when I was at a party and got to the singing Happy Birthday in Welsh bit, I would just silently open and close my mouth like a goldfish, hoping nobody would notice. But I'm guessing that they probably did. So for those of you in a similar predicament, I thought that in this episode I would show you how to do it. Now, singing Happy Birthday in Welsh isn't that difficult to do. It's basically one line repeated 3.5 times with the addition of someone's name. The phrase Happy Birthday in Welsh is Penblwydd hapus. Now, the word Penblwydd might look a bit daunting to pronounce, but it's not really. And if you run the 3 English words pen, blue and with together, Penblwydd, you've got a pretty good approximation of the word. Now, the next part of the song, the to you bit, depends on whether you are in the formal or informal mode. If you are singing to an acquaintance, colleague or an elderly person, then it should end with the formal I chi. If, on the other hand, it's a friend, family member or child, then it will be the informal et. So, using the formal mode for our example, the 3 standard lines would be Penblwydd hapus I chi. The third line of the song also begins with Penblwydd hapus, but followed by anwyl, Welsh for dear, and then the person's name. And that's it. So now we just put those lines together like this. Penblwydd hapus I chi, Penblwydd hapus I chi, Penblwydd hapus anwyl John, Penblwydd hapus I chi. And that's it. You've just sung Happy Birthday in Welsh. So there you go. A good one to remember and very easy to do. Well, that's all for this episode. So have fun with your Welsh, and I'll see you next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.